Hello, everybody. My name is Celeste, and I'm a librarian here at River Valley District Library. And today, for our STEM challenge, we are going to be making a pan flute. So we have 4 straws here, and we're going to be measuring and cutting these straws. So I'm going to start from the smallest measurements because we're going to have different sizes of straws for our pan flutes. We're going to have small, bigger, 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 bigger. So I'm going to do the first 2 small ones because I'm going to use the same straw for those. So I'm going to measure out first 3.5 inches right there, and then 4 inches. So 3.5, I'd cut it right around here. Okay, and then we'll measure out 4 inches. Just put it up there. Should take off a little bit. They kind of go flying once you cut them, but you can see we've got ones just a little shorter than the other. Okay, so next we're going to do 5 inches. Right there. Cut them. Okay, and then we're going to do 5.5 inches right there. And then for our longest straw, we are going to have that be 6 inches. So measure out 6 inches here. Okay, so now we have all these different sizes of straws. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get our 2 strips of paper, and I'm going to do a little decorations on them actually. I think I'm going to do some music notes because this is a musical instrument. So I'm going to make a couple of cute little musical notes. Just kind of like that. I'm going to flip that over, and I'm going to lay down a strip of double-sided tape. I want that to be almost the same length as the paper. Okay, and that's what we're going to stick our straws to. So to make sure that they're all even, I'm going to start with the big one, and if you can see, I just have it a little bit over the edge there. And this is the part that we're going to be blowing into. So everything up here is going to be in line, and the changes of sizes are going to be seen at the bottom portion. So now, to make sure that they're all evenly spaced apart, I am going to do my smallest one, and I'm going to do that on the other side of the pan flute there. And then I'll do that's right in the middle. Just a little bit. Okay, and I think I have them all spaced pretty evenly, and I have all of the mouthpieces lined up. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to put down another strip of double-sided tape onto our other paper. I'm going to measure that just using the paper there to make sure that I get it kind of even with the length of the paper. Put that across our pan flute. And then we have our pan flute with all of our decorations on it. The next part that I'm going to do is I'm going to number off our pan flute so that I can have numbers for each length. I'm going to say this tiny one will be 1, next one 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now I'm going to go ahead and practice playing it. You can see, you can hear the different sounds and the different octaves depending on the size of the straw. So the shorter the straw, the higher the noise is going to be, and the lower the straw, the lower the noise is going to be. We also have some music sheets. So since I numbered each of my straw, I know which number I will associate with that sound. So I'm going to write a little song here. I'm going to go from the highest to the middle to the next one, and we're going to see what that sounds like. Okay, I kind of like how that sounds. So on my song sheet, I'm going to write down 1, 1, 3, 3, 2, 2. Ooh, and I think 4 is a good way to end it. So 1, 1, 3, 3, 2, 2, 4. I wrote that down so that I can remember what I played and I can play my song again. We even have a part for a song title. So I think I'm going to name that Spring because it is spring and it sounds really happy and light. And that is our pan flute. Thank you for joining me today and watching how to make a pan flute. I will see everybody next time. Thank you. Bye.